Welcome to Kikuyu online classes. Leo tunajifundisha jinsi ya kutumia alphabets. Kikuyu alphabets. In Kikuyu, we use the normal English alphabet or Italian alphabet. 18 of them. We don't use 8 of them. Plus, we use 18 of them plus 2 special Kikuyu vowels. Now, let us see which are those alphabet we use and the one we don't use. A, and this is how they sound. A, B, C, D, E, G, H, E, J, K, M, N, O, R, T, U, W, Y. Yes, 18 of them. There are 18 of them. Plus, these are 2 vowels, O and A. Those are Kikuyu special vowels. So, in total, zinakuwa 20 letters. In Kiswahili, we use all the English alphabets except K, N, except K and X. These two. In Swahili, we don't use these two. In Swahili, yes, not unless the word is a foreign word, which does not have a Swahili word. Now, these are the vowels we use in Kikuyu. A, E, E, O, U, O. A, E, O, U, O. See the difference between these two. U, O. A, O. Watu wengi confuse this when writing. Unapata mtu ni Mkikuyu anaongea Kikuyu sanifu lakini kuandika hapo ndio inamshida. These 3 letters. O, and A. This is O, not O. The way we pronounce it in English, it's O. And this one is O. This one is A. O, A. For example, in words, modo, that is a person in Kikuyu. So you see, tumetumia the letter O, modo, not O. Hatujatumia O. Modo. A, letter A. Mete, those are trees. In Kikuyu, in English, mete is trees. Trees. So, tumetumia letter gani? A. Mete. Mete. Letter O. Moko. Hands. Hands. Hands in Kikuyu. So, O. Moko. A. Mete. O. Modo. So, you must differentiate those 3 letters. And this letter is always A In Swahili or in Kikuyu, this is a. In Swahili or in Kikuyu, this is e, not I. It's e. Always like that. Now, these are the letters we don't use in Kikuyu. There are 8 of them. This is letter F, L, P, Q, S, V, X, or Z. 8 of them. We don't use them in Kikuyu. There are 8 of them, not 18, 8 of them. But letter F and P, they are replaced by B. For example, the sound F, you will find it in B. For example, the word father in Kikuyu is fafa. Fafa, that is father. But in Swahili, it is the same word, but the sound changes to baba. Baba, that is Swahili. But in Kikuyu, ni fafa. And Kikuyu, B, tunaitumia mara mbili. Ukitumia B, ukianza na M, MB, the sound changes to ba. Ba. For example, fa, ba. Fafa, father. Bata, that is a duck. Bebe, maize. So, huwezi ukaandika the word bebe like this. So, in Kikuyu we use B alone is fa, MB, ba. Now, letter L, we don't use it in Kikuyu. Instead, we use letter R. That's why in Kikuyu you hear all the words are like r. Kikuyu ni r. That is Kikuyu for you. Because we don't have letter L. Instead, we use R. Letter S, we use C instead. For example, the word chai, tea. The word tea in Kikuyu, we write like this. Chai, but not like this. This is Swahili. This is Swahili. Chai, chai. In Swahili you say chai. You see there is H. CH, chai, sai. Another word is the word shege. That's a male name in Kikuyu. We write like this. Shege, not chege. It is shege. The other letters, we don't use them at all. V, X, and Z, we don't use them at all. It's only in Swahili we use V and X. But K and X, they are not used in Swahili. Only those two. It's also used like this. N, G, W, A, gua. For example, guashe, that is sweet potatoes. Gua, that is thunderstorm. You can also use it NG apostrophe WA or any other vowel. For example, jungwa, that is a 3-legged stool. Yes. Letter G. Letter G, unaweza itumia bila N. You can use it without N. For example, G-A, ga. Gashau. That is a calf. Na kwa Kiswahili ni dama. gashui, a chick, gari, a leopard. Kwa Kiswahili ni chui. A gai, that is God. Kwa Kiswahili ni Mungu. You can use it as ng'. For example, ngano. Those are stories. Ama hadithi kwa Kiswahili. Ng'. Ngo. Dingoingo. That's a bitu. So you can see ga, nga, or ngo. Is also used like this. Ngwa, gwa. For example, gwashe, that is sweet potatoes. Gwa, that is thunderstorm. You can also use it ng', or any other vowel. For example, jungwa, that is a three-legged stool. Yes. Letters D, G, and J. Wacha tuangalie these three letters, how we use them in Kikuyu. These three letters, letter D and J. These letters are always accompanied by N. There is always N in front of them. For example, the word doma, that is arrowroots. In Kikuyu, another word is dirisha. Dirisa. You can't like this. This is a window. A window. Huwezi ukaandika hivi. Dirisha is a Swahili word. When you write like that, that's a Swahili word. The same window, but dirisha. Namaanisha dirisha. But in Kikuyu ni dirisha. J. Inayo. For example, ere. That is hair. And in Swahili ni nywele. Another word is jogo. Jogo. That's peanuts. But in Swahili, the same, jogo, but we write, in Swahili, instead of using this word, we use u, the letter u. So, the word is jugu. And in Swahili, sometimes you can use J without N, and sometimes you can use J with N. It's also used like this. Ngwa, gwa. For example, gwashe, that is sweet potatoes. Gwa, that is thunderstorm. You can also use it ng', or any other vowel. For example, jungwa, that is a three-legged stool. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. We meet in the next class about prepositions in Kikuyu. Tschüss!